So you're sitting there, all excited to play your brand new PS5, ready to dive into the latest games and experience the next level of gaming. But wait, what's this? An error code? CE-106449-4? Oh no, an error occurred connecting to the server. Don't worry though, because I'm here to help you fix it. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Make sure your PS5 is connected to a stable and reliable network. You can do this by going to the Settings menu, selecting Network, and then checking your connection status. If everything seems fine, move on to the next step. Next, let's try restarting your PS5. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix the issue. Turn off your console completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once it's powered up, try connecting to the server again and see if the error persists. If the error code still haunts you, it's time to dive into the settings. Go to the Settings menu once again, but this time select System. From there, choose System Software Update and make sure your PS5 is running on the latest firmware. If there's an update available, download and install it. This might just be the solution you need. If none of the previous steps worked, it's time to get a bit technical. You can try manually configuring your DNS settings. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, and then choose Setup Internet Connection. From there, select your network and go to the Custom Setup. When you reach the DNS settings, choose Manual and enter the following DNS addresses: primary DNS 8.8.8 and secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and try connecting to the server again. If all else fails, it might be worth reaching out to PlayStation Support. They have a team of experts who can guide you through the troubleshooting process and provide personalized assistance. You can contact them through their website or social media channels. Remember, error codes can be frustrating, but with a little patience and some troubleshooting, you'll be back to gaming in no time. Good luck and happy gaming.